Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's an explanation about the next paragraph, and I'm going to tell you how this works. But before I do that, I want to explain the things you already know and then a few startup exercises. So these are the things you learned earlier. If you do x plus x, you get 2x. But if you do x times x, you get x to the power of 2. Right, know the difference? Here it's just 2x and here you get a power. If you have x plus y, you can't do that. So you can write down no answer, or you can write down x plus y. And if you have x times y, well actually you also can't do that, but you can write down without the time symbol. So x times y is xy. So this is how that works. Moving on to this row then, now I see 3 x's, x times x times x. So if I only have 2 x's, x times x, it's going to be x squared. So x times x times x is going to be x with a little 3 there. You pronounce it as x to the power of 3. Okay, so this is x to the power of 3. So just a short intermediate thing here. If I do x times x times x times x, it's going to be x to the power of 4. Now sometimes you see some other numbers also. Here I have a 2 and a 3. So what you do here is first you calculate 2 times 3 is 6. And then we take a look at these letters. X times x times x is going to be x to the power of 3. Okay. Now I'm moving on to this exercise, the one that I actually wanted to explain. Here we see higher powers. We see x to the power of 3 and x to the power of 4. So you're wondering what should be here, right? What should we get there? Should it be 7 maybe, because if you add 3 and 4 you get 7? Or should it maybe be 12, because 3 times 4 is 12? So let's figure out. X to the power of 3 is actually x times x times x, right? It's just 3 x's. And x to the power of 4 is x times x times x times x. That's 4 x's. So in total you have 7 x's. So this is how that works. Now you don't have to write this down every time you see an exercise. Now you can just immediately add these numbers. So for example, x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 3 will be x to the power of 8. Okay, so I'm going to make another video about this. So you can also watch that one. Thank you for watching.